I always say video games are the gateway drug to technology, basically. So I technically started programming when I was 6 years old and learning about it, basically. So then, I went to college and worked in the game industry, worked for Electronic Arts, and ran an app development business for video games for about 12 years.
Now, Electronic Arts is a name extraordinarily familiar to anyone in the arts world. They're sort of the major domo of the whole industry, correct?
Yeah, that's correct. The Electronic Arts was making video games even when I was 6 or 7 years old. They had like Jordan versus Bird video game on the Amiga. They had a bunch of games, so they just became an extraordinarily large publisher, basically. So they're on pretty much every major platform now. Huge gaming development company. EA Sports is super popular too. I worked at the Redwood Shores one down in the South Bay area of San Francisco.
So what is exciting you the most these days? It seems like every day I wake up and there's some new extraordinarily innovative application for artificial intelligence, generative AI. More things are coming into robots, getting computer brains and interactive brains. What is exciting you the most right now?